Hi friends, this video shows how to optimize screen size and fix small screen issue. Go to settings, set settings icon from top. Go to display and audio settings. Go to optimize screen size, select this option. Then press OK button on the remote. After that, first we have to press and hold up button on the remote until you no longer see the gray area above this black box. Now we can see a black box in the center, then some gray area around that. So first we have to adjust, we have to remove the gray area, top gray area, by pressing the up button on the remote. Let me press and hold up button. Done. So now top gray area is not visible. Then press OK button on the remote. Now do the same thing on the bottom. Press and hold down button on the remote until that down gray area is not visible. Done. Then press OK button on the remote. Then press and hold right button on the remote until that right side gray area is not visible. Done. Then press OK button on the remote. Then press and hold left button on the remote until that left gray area is not visible. Done. Then press OK button on the remote and finish. Then select apply. Done. So this way we can optimize screen size and fix small screen issue. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.